dad's birthday gift. So this is the Hungry Hippo game from Hasbro Gaming. So it says join the feeding frenzy, release the marbles, race to make your hippo jump, gobble the most marbles to win. So this is all the game's about. So do you like this game, Jovina?
Yes.
So this is dad's birthday. So now we're going to play the game. Which one do you want? How about the blue one? Okay, so the game is you have to chomp the most marbles so that you can win. So let's start the game. Okay, 1 second. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Let's just see how many points. Okay, so we're gonna count. See this? What you have to do is keep the marbles.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
6, 7.
So we have a draw. So this is the Hungry Hippos game, and it's from Hasbro Gaming. So she has 12 gifts, right? So these are dad's gift. These are my aunt's and grandma's gifts. And these are my mom's gifts, and these are my gifts. So which one do you want to open first? Okay, so she wants to open this one. Let me just take this card. There we go. It's Shopkins! Just show it there. Show it to the camera.
This is a keychain one.
Yes, these are it's the Shopkins Little Secrets Locket. So you can get this in many different themes, like many themes. So this is like a locket. You can wear it. You can collect it, wear it.
I love this game, so I opened the small one.
Okay. So we're going to keep this over here. What gift do you want to open first? How about this one?
This one again.
Okay, so these are also my gift. This is also my gift. Let me take off the card. And
the bow! The bow!
the bow, yes, the bow.
The bow!
Okay. So it's covered in cardboard. She doesn't know. Okay, open it. What's this? What's this? Pikmi pop.
Pikmi pop!
So we bought all the gifts that she likes. So this is the watermelon.
Yummy!
Okay, so we got all the gifts that she likes. So let's see what she can get. So she can get this one, this one, this one, this one. So this is the Pikmi pop. It's the Pikmi pop, PFLIP's Fruit Fiesta. Okay. So that's that. And what gift do you want to open next?
Again, yours.
Okay, so let me take up the bowl.
Bow, bow, bow!
How about I open it for you? Because I'll make it faster. It's Hatchimals! So I took a long time to open it. So do you like this?
Yes. That's my friends.
Yes. Do you like it?
Yes.
She loves Hatchimals. So should I help you?
I know.
Okay. So it says happy birthday dear.
Oh my god!
Its name. So it has a name. Oh, this one doesn't. Oh, it has. It has. Okay. Its name is Fantasia. Come close. I have a secret for you. I wish your dreams and wishes come true. So its birthday is in May 8th. So this is the Beanie Boo. Her name is Fantasia. So what gift do you want to open next? So this is from Spin Master. Okay. So what you have to do is rub the heart and it becomes pink and then you should break it. So how do you like it?
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah. This is the mystery.
Yes.
Mystery, yes. And they open.
Wait. So what gift do you want to open next? This one. Oh, it's the Lego bracelet. This is the new Lego Dots bracelet. So she was asking this a lot of time. So show her that. Show them.
This is we can make own one.
Yes. So you can make your own one. Create your own design. So next, what gift do you want to open?
Again.
This one. Another Hatchimal. So we just love Hatchimals. So this is Hatchimals. How about you open this one next? The Shopkins. So this is the Shopkins Secret Shop Bakery. So these are all the gifts my sister got. In the next video we're going to be opening all the toys. And bye bye.